Hi friends, this is our second video for lesson 3. We're starting on page 197 for traits influenced by the environment, page 197, and the header is environmental factors. As you just learned, the amount of water in the environment can affect inherited traits of the cactus. This is because the environment can influence or have an effect on inherited traits. Water is just one factor in the environment that can influence inherited traits. Other factors include the kind and amount of food, the temperature, the kind of soil, and the materials in the soil, air, and water. The flowers in the picture are hydrangeas. Their color can be blue or pink. The color depends on the kind of soil the plant grows in. Reading check. Use text features. How does the highlighted vocabulary word help you as you read the text? Okay, remember we have to use the words that are in the question in our answer. The highlighted vocabulary word helps you read the text by pointing out words that I might not know. It tells me what the word means in science. Quest connection. What parts of the environment could you change to get bigger plants? The parts of the environment I could change to get bigger plants is giving the plant more water. Plants need water to grow. Top of page 198, visual literacy connection. That is the header of this next section. The title of the section is called, How Can Environmental Factors Affect Organisms? Factors in an organism's environment can affect traits of organisms. For each organism, circle the environmental factor that you think causes the change in its traits. Here's a white flamingo. A flamingo's feathers are actually white. There's a pink flamingo. The feathers turn pink when a flamingo eats shrimp and algae, which contain keratin. Top of page 199. The temperature that surrounds a nest of crocodile eggs can influence whether the crocodile becomes a male or a female. I did not know that. Leaf size in the holly oak changes with temperature. When the environment is warmer, the leaves grow larger. When the water flea moves through its life cycle, it can develop a longer tail and helmet-like protection for its head. The protective body parts help the water flea survive when predators are near. No predators near, there's no helmet. When the predators are close, there is a helmet. I wonder if a water flea means fish have fleas. Top of page 200. I've assigned some Discovery Education videos that really help with this section here. It's in Discovery Education. It's called Discovery Science Alliance, How Plants Live and Grow. It's 3 minutes. And all about soil, and that's 13 minutes. I'd like you to watch those, please. The header on page 200 says, Sunlight and Plant Traits. Sunlight is an important factor that affects the traits of plants. In the photo, the plant on the left shows how this plant grows when it has the right amount of sunlight. The plant in the middle did not get enough sunlight. The plant on the right got sunlight only from one side. You can see that the stem and leaves are leaning over because it needs more, the light is coming on one side. Explain. What inherited trait of this plant does sunlight influence? Use the words from the question in your answer. The inherited trait of this plant that sunlight influences is plant growth. Lesson 3 check. Explain. Number 1. How can environment affect the height of a tree? The environment can affect the height of a tree by the amount of rainfall, temperature, and soil nutrients. What evidence from the text supports the conclusion that traits can be influenced by the environment? Evidence from the text about traits being influenced by the environment is the hydrangeas changed color depending on the type of soil. All right, friends, nice job, and kiss your brain. We're done with this unit.